Alright, I done messed up. I got my boat stuck in my garage. Not sure what happened. Anyways, came home from work and it opened, and then went to go shut it before I stepped inside and it wouldn't shut. And I hit the button probably 100 times, nothing changed. Had to try it. But so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure this out because can't go fishing if my boat's stuck. Huh? Really doesn't help anything. So I'm just try and set you guys up, and we're gonna dink around with this. All right. First things first. That one's green. Green is good. Probably. It's my beautiful baby. My other one. You're beautiful too. This one's red and blinking. Probably the issue, but I'm not sure what it needs entirely. Now it's not blinking. That might be it. But I pulled this guy. Now it won't go back up, but it wants to, so I gotta try and figure out how to engage that again, so give me a sec. I gotta figure out what I can step on to get up there. Not quite right. Here's a little chair. All right, I have not messed with. Oh, I'm pretty sure I got it. Okay. All right, we're gonna try this. All right. Pretty easy. One's still red, one's still green. I don't know if that matters at all. But we'll see now. Time for the magic button. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, heck yeah. Is my dog in here? Ripley, come in, get in here. The only reason that didn't go in just now is because of this silly one. Yes, good job. At least we tested the not crushing you system. Thanks. But all right. One more for safe measures. All right. We got it. The old boat is not stuck. Oh, I thought that was definitely going to take a lot longer. All right, as one actor and outdoorsman that I enjoy watching, one thing he always says is bring masculinity back. And although that was pretty far on the bottom of masculinity, I still did it myself. Yeah. We're just gonna scratch that. A monkey could have done that. 2 monkeys. Monkey and a half, and a black lab. Yeah. All right. Cool. Well, that was not worth telling the wife. All right. Well, now the boat's not stuck and the garage door works again. I'm gonna get back to doing something. Probably not super productive. Probably finish my coffee and think about fishing. And I drew a tag, so I'll probably think about hunting. But anyways, thanks for joining. Hopefully your garages work and your boats work. Cat's trying to escape. Y'all have a good day. Ciao.